Hi, I'm Andrew Tran.
And I'm Kellen Stadler. We're both MS1s working on the Vassar research team. The title of our study is Adherence to Reporting Guidelines Across Clinical Neurology Journals, a Preliminary Study. We set out to examine the proportion of journals that require or recommend adherence to research guidelines for their study design in the field of clinical neurology. This is important because the extent to which journals enforce these methods is still being determined. Prior research on this topic conducted in other disciplines has concluded that reporting guidelines and trial registration may improve methodologies and the quality of research. It was found that underreporting is also associated with lower quality research. Due to these findings, we further explored whether these findings were consistent in clinical neurology journals. In order to test this, we did a systematic review of the top 100 journals in clinical neurology. We examined their author guidelines and evaluated whether or not they mentioned reporting guidelines. Registration requirements were also examined in the same manner. We also contacted the editorial team of each journal to confirm which types of studies were accepted by their journals.
So what we found was of the top 100 clinical neurology journals, eClear Network was referenced in 51% of these journals. The most referenced reporting guideline was Consort, while the least referenced guideline was Quorum. Moose was not mentioned in 92% of journals. Arrive was recommended in 46% and required in 5%. Clinical trial registration was only required in 53% of journals, while 12% recommended it, and 1% did not require it, and 34% did not mention it. We concluded that there were inconsistencies in the requirements of reporting guidelines and registration across the top 100 clinical neurology journals. This is an important finding because it can be used to help inform editors of the need for more uniform guidelines to ensure more consistent research. It can also assist journal authors during the submission process by providing a standard for accurate reporting, leading to better quality research.